So I'm waiting on the train right now. And I got my bag. So you just see on the dirty ass ground because I forgot the other bag to put it in. Yup, I already got it in the ground, so what I'm gonna do. So I'm waiting for the train to come. And then we'll get on the train. And I know I look a mess. Hot mess. Up in my belly, hot mess. Yeah. Yeah. I know I want to make one more stop before I go home. I'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna able to, but I'm gonna see if I can do that. So I'm waiting for the train to come and then I'll hop on the train. So for right now, So what's good? What's going on? Y'all miss me? I miss you too. Gosh, I'm gonna turn over. I miss you too. Yeah, I miss you too. But you all well? Everybody good? Family? Everybody's great, thank God. That's the only thing we can hope for, and thank God is to wake up the next day. And thank God to be alive and to be healthy the next day. And that's like the greatest thing. You can find food and you can find shelter. From you can find that, you have a lot. Because many people, they can't find nothing, you know what I mean? So you can find a lot. Once you can find that, you can find a lot. And I think the train is coming, guys. The train is here. This part is empty, which I like. Hopefully I get a seat. Except to go away. And put this on the ground, put it on my lap. So I'm on the train. I'm on the train. Train always smells sour like sour salt. For the train or somebody's food smell like sour. Something that smell good in here at all. Because somebody's food stinks up. Stinking food. Because none of my food. It smell like when shoes stink. Like sour soap water. Sneakers. Something smell like sour soap water. I don't know what stinks so. Sour soap water.
This is the Telluride Road.
When culture I want my friends and I can't take the stinkers. Sorry. For the old train smell like that, I'm not sure. I'm gonna take my chances and try. My next spot and see.
This is a Manhattan-bound Q local train. The next stop is Beverly Road.
Stand clear of the closing.
Next stop is Beverly. I'm gonna go for a feeling of food. I know. Usually closer to the house, you know, but you miss to live here, sir? I still live up this way. That's when I start and it's like really fresh and nice. I buy it at a place, never like that. It's the best and the cleanest because it's a restaurant, it's not outside. It's not like you're buying it from the truck. When you buy it from the truck, it's more riskier. Like when you go to the restaurants, it's more cleaner, you know, so.
This is Beverly Road.
You know, I'm gonna go right through and then to get on the next train. You know, I stopped by my friend, but I'm not home at this time. I should have called, I'm not sure. I'm gonna see. Can I say which friend is that? You don't keep friends. I know you're gonna say, what friend is that? You don't keep friends, you don't have no friends. I know, friends that I know from years and years ago. And of course I don't keep friends, but I'm supposed to see my friend.
This is a Manhattan-bound Q local
I don't go to
train.
people's house like to hang out with friends at their house or anybody coming to my house. I'm always by myself. In my house, you know where I'm at, on the other side. Just sometimes my cat come inside, that's it, nobody else. And if I don't have to leave the house for a good reason, I don't leave the house. Because you can tell for days I haven't left my house or come outside no time at all. So today's like the first day I'm really coming outside for a while. I have to come outside today. It's like I'm tired of being inside. Especially, you know, can't get to talk to you guys live, then it's crazy. You know, so yeah. So I don't bother with the mix up, you know what I mean? Nobody can call my name. No girl can call my name, no boy can call my name, you know what I mean? I don't drink alcohol and I don't party. So I don't mix up. I was by myself most of the time. I guess the day when it comes I'm gonna die, I'm gonna end up dying by myself because I don't be around nobody. Time fly faster than 9:27 already, almost 9:30.
Transfer is available to the D train.
Next month is summer already. I know. I promised you guys I would lose a lot of weight, but I'm sorry it didn't happen. The way I planned it, you know. The Church Avenue, huh? Once I get off, I'm gonna stop this. Well, I'm just taking it easy one day at a time, you know.
This is a Manhattan.
I thank God to be alive and thank God, you know, I have food to eat and stuff. But I just don't like, you know, like when people call me, people come with all kind of topic. People come with all kind of problem right through the day. My phone be ringing, people be calling me, telling me this, telling me that, with all kind of stuff. Sometimes it come like I'm still working offline, you know, and so on. Yeah, but I love you guys, but don't make nobody dull your shine, you know. Never make a man come in your life because they choose to be in your life, you know. If somebody come in your life, it's because you want them to be in your life, not because they want to. And I hate some men when they have a woman or an ex-girlfriend, it's like they never want to see you do right. They don't want to see you go above them, you know. They always want you to be little, like underneath your foot. Want to be like, I'm better than you. I'm over you. You know what I mean? And when a person is like that, they go to any extent to break you down. Any extent to like stalk you quietly. And you be thinking like the person is your friend, you realize he's the worst fucking enemy. And I hate people like those. You know what I mean? If you can't sleep with them, they feel like, if I can't sleep with you, I'm going to make your life a living hell. I'm going to make sure you're not on YouTube Live. I'm going to make sure you're not on Facebook Live. I'm going to make sure that you're not, if you're on Instagram Live, I'm going to come fucking trying to wreck you. I'm going to try to do anything I can. Because you're too popular. And you're not supposed to be popular more than me. You know what I mean? You're nobody. You know what I mean? You ain't been to college. You ain't educated enough. You shouldn't be fucking famous. You know what I mean? I should be the one. You know, but God knows who He give His glory to.
This is a Manhattan-bound Q local train.
God knows who He give His glory to, you know. Who deserves to get a break out of life. Nothing come easy, you know. You know, if I wasn't doing video for the last so much years I'm doing video, working for the people free before I could be able to make a little change. And as soon as I make a little change, I started complaining about Facebook Live and try to lock off so I don't make no more commercial. So Facebook don't pay me no more. Just because I've been blocked so many times. For no reason, because they were jealous and bad mind. And YouTube now, they make YouTube strike my own music. You know what I mean? So it's like running behind me everywhere I go, just trying to show you can't shut me down. The problem is trying to shut me down being impossible. Because if you shut everything, I can open back tomorrow morning and be just as popular because I'm popular in every single country. So that's the problem. Don't open your leg for no motherfuckers that don't do well for their life. And because you ain't got nothing going, you're trying to do something to make you feel like, oh, it's not right that you're doing, or trying to take time to obsess with you, or trying to get between your leg, and if they can't, they give you a nasty attitude, or act like you're doing something because you don't want to sleep with nobody. You know what I mean? Don't let nobody come and take your rights when it comes to that. Nobody. Alright? You get popular, pay attention to the music you write, pay attention to what you're doing, and you keep fucking going till you could be able to get your own money, get your own house, or get everywhere you could get. Don't freaking take your time and take that time to focus on a man and open your legs. Especially somebody that didn't mean you're good in the beginning. And all of a sudden when you're popular, they want to be around. You know? And when they want to be around, it's because they have plan, intention. Intention because scamming. Because of money. Because how much money they want to make off you. You know what I mean? Because they know you're popular. And when they take all the money, as much as they can get, and the little bit that you're getting, they will still want from that. And still trying to break you down to get crutches from you. Hell fucking no. That's what I said, no. Listen to me, man. If I wasn't strong, I would not be around till now. But I believe in God, you know what I mean? And I believe in working for what you want, trying as hard as you can. But I will never stop being who I am. and I will never stop being good to the people that's good to me. Thank you for all the people that donate. Can't big up yourself. Thank you for the donation this week that you sent to me. God bless you. You all big up yourself. I love each and every one of you. And each and every one of you that subscribe to me. Thank you and God bless you. Alright, I'm going to get off here and I'm going to get back on again. I love you. I see you later. This is Prospect Park.